Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive deep into understanding and resolving the common attribute error. numpy.ndarray object has no attribute append error in numpy. This error arises because you're trying to use the append method, which is specifically designed for Python lists, on a numpy array, which is a different data structure with its own set of methods. We'll explore why this happens, how numpy arrays work differently, and several effective ways to achieve the equivalent functionality of appending to a numpy array. Understanding the error, why ndarray.append doesn't exist. 1. Numpy arrays versus Python lists *. Python lists * lists are dynamic, flexible data structures in Python. They can hold elements of different data types, and they are designed to be easily